Yes, YouTube, it kind of windy outside still, but me not lie, me like the feeling. You see me like the feeling. Here what I'm going now. Hear me I say big up everybody. You know what I mean? All them new subscribers, them welcome. Hear me I say now, remember the video? Me I telling you say we go Castlegar and you know, me go link up Basil keep Jamaica and Canada link up is a cookout style. You know what I mean? Pass through. You know, me just finish up the video them and things, so me I send them a road. So me decide to me go send the video a road and thing, and I mean, right after this message, trip to Castlegar. Big up on yourself and tune in and stay till it finish, you know what I mean?
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Yeah, YouTube, TroyStarz again. Making a trip to Calgary. Basically, Calgary then off to Castlegar. I got support of my friend barbecue in Castlegar, another truck driver. So basically, I'm gonna take the plane right now. A 7.5 hour flight. Two planes, one from Toronto to Castlegar. No, one from Toronto to Calgary, and then from Calgary to Castlegar, and that's where we went to school when we just came here. So I'm gonna go, but we're gonna do a little touring in Castlegar. So yeah, so like I said, it will be a trip. We're making a trip like I told you before.
When it's gonna be my time to shine, now I'm in my prime. So I wanna know when it's gonna be my time to shine. I gotta get what's mine. When it's gonna be a little shine for me. Lyrics and flow after the city.
Yeah, YouTube. Basically we are rolling a first class flight again, you know. You see what I'm saying? So first class, the big top trucker are rolling at the first class to Calgary, you know what I mean? So we are organized the thing. We say first class, we are doing it. We're overdo it again, you know? So vlog, we have vlog it, you know? Truck vlog, you know what I mean? So we are rolling it in. Let me have number six. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what I mean? So we are doing it, overdo it.
What's going on? It's Laden, big ship, genius. Sorry for all of those who didn't believe in us, yeah. Reaching out to everyone in the universe. It's a very key link to these universe. I'm sorry, as can be, for those who can't be.
You know, when I overdo it. YouTube. Business class. Basically, yeah. From Calgary to Castlegar, and that's it. So, tune in. We'll show the support.
What's going on? You know it's learning. A long time
yeah, YouTube, just land. We take a smaller plane. After we reach Castlegar, take a smaller plane from what may I taxi? After we reach Calgary, we take a smaller plane from Calgary, and now I landed in Castlegar. 3 hours difference from where I'm coming from. 3 hours different from Nova Scotia. So that's it's 3 hours different from Toronto, 4 hours difference from Nova Scotia. So the time now is 11 o'clock or something, 11:30. So my friend Basil, that we went to school with, he's the one that keeping the party. His girlfriend is coming to pick me up at the airport. It's a good feeling to be back in a place that when you just came to Canada was the place that you were, right? Castlegar, and I guess that's her right there coming in the white car. I thought it was her, but it's not her. We're gonna check out the visit. Let's see what I'm going. Yeah, so we in Calgary, Castlegar. I mix it up, Calgary and Castlegar. Castlegar over there, Castlegar. I put it together. Alright, she's here, she's here. Now the phone of the way you're going. Rich! Go on, Nicole. Everyone, this is Nicole, Basil's wife. Watch her eye. You know, she's the other side. Oh, it's nice. There's some big life for live over Castlegar, boy. One life can big, so? Basil! What am I thinking in heaven, you know?
No, in heaven.
Oh, okay.
My daughter want left.
Man.
Rich! Watch your man, man. See rich man in the people. See me in there. What you want? Where you go?
I don't think that. I have finished string up his sound in Ivan.
You have string up his sound?
I'll see you guys tomorrow then.
No, okay.
405. So
Friend data?
Okay.
I'm gonna set one. Good night. Yeah. Me and Rope Vice I go on. Yeah. Good evening.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
I'm just here. Just a pass through.
Live show?
No, this is Troy. Someone he lives in Nova Scotia. You know the guy that you know that video 1200 pounds? The guy with the phone.
Yeah, she doesn't remember. That's it, girl. When that one year released on YouTube, when I will see it. But anyway, I go downstairs and then we come back and everybody get to know all me discussing on stage. I'm going to ease myself, so I'm so forward.
Okay. Alright, Mr.
You're not a Jamaican?
No, she's a Jamaican.
Oh, so you're here, a good wife. I like your accent. I'm joking. What that? What got?
Alright, I spend $8 grand in that.
See them?
Get to them one.
Look good, man.
But it's a fun where, alright, you know what encourage me to work and deal with that one. After, I don't know it's a good van in Pandora. But I want to come with the V6 engine and a 4-cylinder. So when I realize I have V6, I'm a full a brand new F-150.
Yeah.
And leave from Kamloops and come here, and this take $10 less than the F-150 for the amount of gas. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
$150 gas car, I go Vancouver and come back. 9 hours drive away.
9 hours Vancouver,
Yeah. 7 to 9. Well, 9 if you're the right on the money, do what them set to do, you know?
Yeah.
Put on the tonneau cover, put on the rims them.
Yeah.
Put them speaker in the door. And the next trick to it, I'm change take off a clutch fan and put the electric fan. So I run the electric fan and I run the Pathfinder radiator for better cooling. Take the clutch fan off the engine so you don't burn as much fuel anymore. Because you bring over a fan blade to cool the engine.
Yeah.
I run my own, I relay them. Put on pair BMW and pan it. And I'm a brand new Ford Focus seat. Ford Fusion.
Yeah.
One chop shop and seat. So remote everything and even remote start and all of them.
Yeah. You don't want to.
And me have 4 speakers on my back underneath that. 4 bass.
You know I'm coming over, right? Hey, baby, tell me what you gonna do. You got a half of me already.
Allez, tu vois.
Okay.
They're okay.
4,800.
You ready?
I'm around 212.
That little thing I like.
Back that's how they see them.
It's 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top, in the streets.
Yeah, man. So I have the 12-inch and I take out the seat out of the side of the van, the folding seat.
Yeah.
Throw those away and build my own speaker box in both sides.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run the 2 amps them here, so already for the 800 watt I have around here. So this amps push it.
Okay.
And this amps push the focal speaker them in the door them I put.
Okay.
Alright, so this wire now is for the other amps I'm gonna string this morning.
Okay.
So make sure say I can play a mid-range.
Okay.
Yeah man, a whole heap of work me doing now. And as I can tell you, see them power. So take out the original seat them.
Yeah.
And make sure I get them Ford Fusion seats so Nicole can drive it because we up it.
Okay. Oh, it rise. Oh, okay.
You rise, you go forward, do all kind of stuff.
Okay.
And then eat it.
Eat it.
Yeah. And van remote start and I have my BMW. Loud, not true?
Yeah, man.
I put 2 extra relay on it. So I run some 18-inch rims with 45 series tires. And I have this wheel back end to put on. And the speaker them in the back and everything.
See them?
Yeah, I'm a little project this, you know?
Yeah.
And LED headlights. LED in these and everything right to LED. The backlight, them I change them out and put LED. Right through my body van. I'm going to name Sarge. I sent you. Very good work. Carry up on the hill up so and feel machine. Hey, wicked man. I don't know other things to it. Whole bit more things to it. Yeah. Welcome back to your hometown.
Yeah, true, man. I hometown, man. I have some know. We know what Canada has some know, you know.
Yeah.
True, man.
Yeah, and get something to drink because we're out on here. Yeah, no people think many of my cousins because every little time like no party I saw one. He come by right. One of the truck man bought us.
Oh.
People really think like this, you know? The people think I'm in. What's up?
What's not much? What's up with you?
I'm hoping I win a lottery.
Oh, are you?
I think so.
Okay.
Did someone win?
I don't know.
If someone win, it's me, you know. Where you are? No, I don't think we will do.
YouTube! I want to let the angle here. Hear me and say no YouTube. Leave some comment, tell me what I go on. Tell me what I go on for the how it start off, you know what I mean? So here I go on. I have 3 of them video here. You know what I mean? 3, part 1, 2 and 3, which I say. You know what I mean? Want to click the link here. Click the link to move on to the other video. As I may say, YouTube, thanks for tuning in. How was it? Tell me how was it now, man. Leave a comment, tell me what I go on for the video now. You know what I mean? Over BC, Castlegar. Them man they over there so for them work set up different. Me not grudge them for them work, me not like you, cause them have to chain up and over there the snow start first. I be a mountain climbing. Me not them go on my daytime still at a nice spot. Them get good money too, but me not like them work hard. Never give them props. Them work hard, God know, them work hard. That's a little truth. God know, them work hard. But anyway, it's a Jamaican link up. And that's what me I say, me go over there and I show me support. You know what I mean? And you know me I vlog it for show everybody back home. Me I show the whole work. So we still keep on. You know, I saw more time that's how we live, you know, man. Peace, joy, and happiness, you know what I mean? Sometimes, you know, it's a little rare if you cut out. You see me? But anyway, back to the channel. I mean, I say, thanks, respect, and all of my new subscribers, them, respect for tuning in, man. But all subscribers over there, big up on yourself. I'm supposed to do some shout out to my subscribers, them, you know, because I see some man take time out to leave a comment, time out to follow up the video, them, time out. Rasta Chucker, big up yourself. Anyway, you're there. You see me I say, but here I go on now. We're going to step it up a notch. After we finish with them video here, you don't know we are move on to the next one. Because everybody want to know what come next, you know. But the word itself, TroyStarz have everything. You know what I mean? We not drop out nothing. Big up. Thanks for tuning in. Respect.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.